Make a great choice today with the 2015 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel drive. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.